little bit of my daily routine during a holiday. Durga Puja is coming up. Another video of awesome parody which I used to do with my friends, that is coming up. And this video is all about enjoying. Let's enjoy. Start the day. Welcome back to today's vlog. Today is a very good day. Welcome back to today's vlog. And most probably you will be seeing this video today itself. Tool kothay? This is what happens when a person is responsible for doing stuff. Tell them to get off.
Okay, fine. But I'm not taking part in the video.
I'll just fucking seriously kill you.
Really, I won't. Look at me. I cannot.
Look at me. Look at me. धक्का खाया हाँ ओइशी bro tell something that no one doesn't know about you bro tell something
I'm an asshole.
Acha, as I said, the vlogs are coming up. I dare you to put up a beat right now. बस इतना ही गांडू थोड़ा सा कर so more dares are coming up. Question pass.
वहाँ पे एक पागल है, उस पागल को दिखाओ।
कौन है?
पागल को छप्पर मारना है, चलो।
YouTube
वीडियो बना रहा।
YouTube video the tube. So chilling out with friends after a very long time. It's a Sunday. की हैंडसम लगते भाई, चिलैक्स लग जाएगा चुदन बगड़ी।
अच्छा बंद करो कैमरा प्लीज।
क्या कर रहा है? I came back home, took my lunch and had a nap. Now heading towards Navadurga and Panchadurga, which is start of Durga Puja. Near my locality it is. So heading towards Navadurga and Panchadurga. I'll show you how's the pujas going on during COVID. So this is under construction right now. Within 2 days this will be completely done. So after a great walking session, heading towards Navadurga right now and ready for a visit. So let's go a bit. Let's go in. So let's go and check it out, and I'll catch you guys after that. Go and check. Just see this, guys. This complete madness in Calcutta which is happening, which is Durga Puja, which we all love. So go and check out that Navadurga right now. Into a clear view. So this is the Navadurga. Let's head to Panchadurga, and this is Navadurga, guys. It's completely sorted. I'll not be visiting after this because there will be lots and lots of people loading up here. And there will be lot of people be coming and going. So this is the current Navadurga scene. Entire lineup, people will come, watch, and they'll leave. like a drive-through. People will be coming in, walking, and they will be moving out. So in order to reduce and in order to maintain the law of COVID, everything is taken under consideration and taken into account, and it has been made like this. Usually they make it in a very huge scale, where each and every Durga and the idols are made in a huge scale. But it is good. So hats off for that. Hats off for West Bengal to maintain the COVID rules and maintain Durga Puja festival as a prime. Let's head to Panchadurga and we will check out what is happening there as well. Let's go. And heading towards Panchadurga, near Panchadurga right now. It is pretty much small. So basically Panchadurga is 5 Durgas and Navadurga is 9 Durgas. Simple max. Check that out. The Panchadurga pandal is there. So this is Panchadurga, and I hope you guys have seen the Navadurga and Panchadurga as well. So this is 5 Durgas, Panchadurga together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys witnessed the Navadurga and Panchadurga, the very, very start, the very, very prime of Durga Puja. I'll see you back soon in our campus. And until then, I'll be catching you guys with lots and lots of information about Durga Puja, which is going to be coming up. And I'll catch you guys soon. Until then, adios, brother.